Here is how to make a GeoGebra file that will only contain the necessary tools to make an appropriate construction using GeoGebra. So when we are looking at GeoGebra here, we're going to need to go to our tools, and then you're going to hit Customize Toolbar. When you get to this point, you as a teacher will have to decide which tools you will want your students to use when you make the construction. For our specific Common Core standard, we chose only the point tool, line tool, segment tool, the compass tool, and the circle tool. But all you would have to do is, if you didn't want a specific tool in the list for students to choose from, you would then click Remove. And then you would remove all of the tools that you would want or don't want. And if you want something back in, you click it and then hit Insert. So once you feel comfortable with the tools that you have selected, you can go ahead and hit Apply. And as you can see, a few of our tools have disappeared. So if I remove a few more, something else to keep in mind is that if you hit this arrow button, you can choose individual tools under the whole selection to remove instead of removing the entire set of tools. So if I click this one and I remove it, okay, so hit Apply. And as you can see, our set of tools just keeps shrinking due to the amount of tools that we want our students to use in a construction. To save this file, we can then do File Save, and when we save it, it will save the tools in this file so that we don't have to have every student go through their tools and deselect different tools that they shouldn't be able to use in the construction. So this is how you can use GeoGebra to set up constructions so that students are using the correct tools and not using perpendicular lines, parallel lines, and measuring angles and measuring distances.